Hello kids, welcome to Green Kids Lab. Today we share a story of one tall tree, which is called the Tree of Friendship. In the middle of the forest, there stood a tall, happy tree. And in this tree lived many little birds, each one colorful, each one full of energy. But oh dear, each bird wanted something different. One wanted to sing, another wanted to eat, another wanted to play, and another just wanted to rest. That's why the happy tree was filled with noisy confusion. Then something magical happened. The little bird showed a big idea. What if they did things together, sharing the fun instead of pulling apart? And so the birds tried it. First they sang a happy tune together. Then they shared a meal. And at last they played in the sky, swirling and laughing. The tree was filled with harmony, and the forest sparkled with joy. The birds had learned a simple secret. When we do things together, happiness grows, just like a tree that spread its branches wide to hold everyone close. Thanks for listening. See you next time.